In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email signature in Pipedrive. A clean professional email signature helps every message look on brand and makes it easy for contacts to find your key details. In Pipedrive, the process is quick and you only have to set it up once. Let's walk through it together so you can create a signature that looks great and works reliably in your outgoing emails. First, open Pipedrive on your desktop and go to your personal preferences. You'll find this by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. That icon opens a small menu and personal preferences is right there. This area controls settings that apply just to your account, so it's the perfect place for things like your signature. Next, head into the email area by selecting Email Sync or Email Settings. Depending on your plan and what you've set up, you might see either option. Both will take you to the correct space where you can manage how your emails behave inside Pipedrive, including your signature. Now scroll down until you see the email signature section. It's usually grouped with other composition and formatting options. This is where you'll build and preview what appears at the bottom of every message you send from Pipedrive. Enter the core details you want to share. At minimum, add your name, job title, and company. You can also include a phone number if that's useful for your contacts, and your website to drive people to the right place. Keep the content concise and professional so it stays readable on both desktop and mobile. If your organization has specific branding or legal text, include that here too. Use the built-in editor to format your signature. You can apply bold or italics to highlight your name or title, turn text into clickable links for your website or scheduling page, and insert an image such as a small company logo. Aim for a logo that's optimized for email, lightweight, not too tall, and aligned neatly so it doesn't overwhelm the text. Keep colors and fonts consistent with your brand, and make sure your links are correct. Less is more. A tidy, well-structured signature makes the best impression. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Your new signature will now appear automatically when you compose emails in Pipedrive. If you make changes later, just return to the same section, adjust the content or formatting, and save again. That's it. Your Pipedrive email signature is ready. Thanks for watching.